Greetings from Punta Cana. Today we are talking about Cemex Dominicana operates 4 cement plants in the Dominican Republic, located in the cities of San Pedro de Macoris, Santo Domingo, and San Fernando de Monte. Cemex Dominicana is a subsidiary of Cemex, a global building materials company that produces cement, ready-mix concrete, aggregates, and other construction materials. The San Pedro de Macoris plant is one of the largest cement plants in the Caribbean and has a production capacity of 1.5 million metric tons of cement per year. The plant began operations in 1999 and employs over 300 people. It serves both the local market and exports cement to other countries in the Caribbean and beyond. Cemex has implemented various sustainability initiatives at the plant, including the use of alternative fuels and raw materials and the implementation of environmental and social programs. San Pedro de Macoris is a city with a population of approximately 250,000 people, making it one of the largest cities in the country. The city is home to several famous Dominican baseball players and is often referred to as the cradle of shortstops due to the high number of talented baseball players that have come from the area. The economy of San Pedro de Macoris is largely based on sugarcane production and other agricultural activities, as well as manufacturing and tourism. Subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, ring the bell, and I hope to see you soon in the Dominican Republic. Oh, almost forget. Just below this video, you are going to find a special discount so that you can book your villas or apartments in all your activities. See you soon in the Dominican Republic. See you soon in Punta Cana.